This is David Vega, and this is my presentation about single-use plastics. This presentation would include the single-use plastic fields, their dangerous environmental effects, and also the effects they have on humans, and why humans should stop purchasing single-use plastics. In the next slide, we'll see the fields that are directly correlated with single-use plastics and how they benefit from these products while endangering our planet and endangering our marine life as well. Basically, the food industry is very fond of these products because it makes it efficient for these consumers to come in and out of their business without having to wait or having to wash dishes, and making things more efficient for human beings. The medical industry is very fond of these products because they prevent the spread of diseases throughout hospitals, doctors, and and between their clients as well. The package industry is very aware that packaging their products in plastics is very efficient for them at a low cost. But what they don't know is that these products tend to end up in landfills, and even worse, in our marine life and ecosystems as well. In the next slide, we'll see why single-use plastics produce such a harm to the environment. This has quickly become a number one concern worldwide. Plastics begin to degrade into microplastics in our water, just as a plastic, falls into the land and takes years to degrade into our soil and, produces harmful effects in that way. These products also, cause negative effects in our waters. These plastics become microplastics within time and are digested by our marine life and then later on by humans. The digestion of these microplastics can cause infertility in marine animals and in humans as well. They can cause the death of sea creatures by entangling them or by indigestion, which means that they will be eating these products and basically filling up their internal organs and dying over time. In the next slide, we'll see why these products are very dangerous to our marine life. These products are dangerous because the study concludes that there are 800 marine species around the world that are suffering from these products used by humans. Plastics are filling our marine ecosystems with millions and millions of pounds of debris. This later causes a problem because they are digested by our marine life, causing them to die, and sometimes even spreading out throughout, to other ecosystems such as humans. These humans that eat these fish and creatures are usually affected by these products as well. In the next slide, we'll go over how they continue to affect humans without us knowing. Human indigestion. There was a study done in Europe where they state that humans digest an annual 11,000 microplastics per year. This is surprising because many people do not expect to eat plastics when they eat seafood. Ultimately, this shows a direct correlation of how fish are eating plastics, and then when we eat fishes, we consume. A study was done where plastics were found in every species of seafood. This is very surprising because, like I mentioned, we don't usually to expect to have a direct correlation. At the end of the day, humans should work towards a better future and a better environment for all habitats. This includes finding sustainable alternatives such as steel water bottles and finding products that can be recycled. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope this helps us to preserve the world in a better way. Thank you so much, and have a great day.